So for this activity, what I have done is I have taken a candle, I have sticked it with the plate. I have an empty glass and some colored water. I am going to light the candles and I have already poured the colored water in the plate. Now what I am going to do is I am going to cover it with the empty glass. Please observe carefully what is happening. As the candles are being extinguished, you can see the water level inside the glass is rising. You can see the water inside the glass. It has risen inside the glass. Now you can see that the air inside the glass is still warmer. So what is happening? It has pushed away all the water out of the glass. It has made an airtight seal over there. Okay, let us repeat the activity. Please see carefully. I am going to light up the candles again. And I am going to cover it with the glass. So see carefully, you can see as the candles are extinguished, the water level is raised up in the glass. So the question before us is, why does the water rises up in the glass? So what we have done in this activity, we have taken a bowl full of colored water and we have lit a candle, and then what I did is I just covered this with a glass. So what happens when you have covered this with a glass? The air, because of the heat of the candle, is expanding over here. So the pressure is high. Okay, the pressure is high, and because of this it is not allowing the water to get in. But as soon as this candle is lit off, after some time the candle will be off because you have cut the oxygen supply by using the glass. So as soon as the candle is lit off, what happens is air starts contracting, it starts cooling down. As it starts cooling down, it contracts back to normal, and then what happens when it contracts back to normal? Air pressure inside the glass drops. So what is happening now is air pressure inside the glass is low. It has dropped. It is low. And outside air pressure is more than inside air pressure. So what will happen? This atmospheric air, this outside air is going to apply pressure on the water, and thus the water will rise up in the glass. As we always know, air flows from high pressure area to low pressure area. How we made low pressure area inside the glass is, when the air is contracting, what is happening? The pressure is decreasing inside the glass, and thus outside pressure is more and water rises up in the glass. Thank you.